I've made more than $500,000 in the past month, all because I started launching my own meme coins. So if you want to learn exactly how I did it step by step, make sure to watch until the end of the video. 1 month ago, I used to dedicate my whole entire life trading meme coins every single day, but every single time I put my money inside a coin, it just keeps getting rug pulled over and over again every single time. Now, this is because the developers behind these coins are launching the coins, and when it gets a bunch of buyers, they simply just remove the liquidity and they get away with thousands of dollars. This is exactly why I switched to a new strategy. Now I am the one who is launching these coins and making a shit ton of money. All I do is I launch the coin, and when it gets a bunch of buyers, I simply just remove the liquidity, and then I profit thousands of dollars on every single meme coin launch. And the best part is that this process is fully repeatable, so you can print thousands of dollars every single day just by repeating the meme coin launches. And the second benefit is that you have nothing to lose. All you have to lose is your time. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only, so do not copy me. But if you are broke and you need the money, then you can do it if you want. But anyways, now it's time to get into the real business, okay? How do you launch your coin? So to launch your coin, you want to come to launch tokens.fun, and on this website, you will be able to launch your coin on the Raydium DEX with no coding required. Why do I say the Raydium DEX? Well, the Raydium DEX is 100 times better than Pump.Fun, because Pump.Fun nowadays is too saturated. Too many coins are being created every single hour, and the market caps are too fucking low. So you have to be launching your coins on the Raydium DEX. I can even prove that to you. So if I go on Pump.Fun, just look at the market caps, 9k, 40k, 7k, 8k. But if I go on the Raydium DEX, you will see the massive difference. 8 million, 200,000, 12 million, they're all above 100,000 or 80,000. So you have to be making coins on launch tokens.fun if you want to reach that next level market cap. So you have two different options into making the coin. You could either make it manually here by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money, you can come to the copy coins feature right here, the third tab, and you can duplicate any coin that is trending on Pump.Fun at the moment. All these coins right here that are all filtered out, they all have a good narrative and they're all trending on pumping on Pump.Fun. So by duplicating these coins, you're listing them back up on the Raydium DEX and you are making way more money. You are basically guaranteed buyers. It's a no-brainer. So for example, I want to duplicate the 1% coin. It is King of the Hill, it has 40 replies, and it has a $35,000 market cap. I'm going to create coin. Your phantom will pop up. Just go inside of it real quick. A warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just proceed and continue. Then your coin should be created shortly. Boom. Now copy your token address and click on create liquidity pool. Create liquidity pool. And here on this page, you will be able to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. So I like to select my coin here, select your Solana balance, the amount token A, click on max to put 1 billion coins in the pool. The amount of the token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. You are not losing this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin. So once you remove the liquidity, this money will come back inside your wallet. Okay, it's completely safe. You are the first buyer. Okay, I like to put 0.5 Solana. You can put anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 5 Solana, 1 Solana, anything you want. And then you can do create pool. Just wait. Confirm. After that, click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. You're already $55 in profit. Now click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. Okay, it's already pumping a lot at the moment. This is a really, really good sign. By the way, as you saw earlier, if you want to check your profits, you can come to launch tokens.fun, click on the refresh button, and here you can see your profits. It is slowly going up. I'm already $50 in profit. That is absolutely great. Now, a bunch of bot buys are coming in. These are actually good for your coin because they create volume, so it can get more traction and more attention to the big buyers. Now, boom, like I said, now it's pumping a lot. Oh, it dipped a lot. It's pumping, it's moving. Okay, now it's doing a comeback. Let's go. Okay, if the price comes back here, I am gonna remove the liquidity to show y'all how much I made. Come on, just one more pump. Oh, it came back. Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to tokens.fun, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity. Come on, come on. Yo, confirm, and boom. We just removed the complete liquidity out of the coin, and that's exactly how you print money out of thin air without doing anything, bro. It is actually fucking insane how easy it is. And if I open my Phantom wallet to check how much I made off this one launch, $538 is inside my wallet. At the beginning, as you saw before, I had 1.2 Solana, so I made around $400 off this one launch, bro. Imagine you make 2 to 5 coins every single day. You could be printing. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.